Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited, but we're going to be unboxing the first ever Trendmood mystery box. Now this launched last week. I have not seen any spoilers on this. So if you guys want to see what I got in here, is it worth it? Well then definitely keep on watching. So for today's video, we have the first ever Trendmood mystery box. Now this rolled out last week. It cost $42. No idea what's in here. No idea how many items are in here. All I know is that I do enjoy Trendmood boxes because she always keeps up with all the latest makeup releases and she'll put them in here. Like I got the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette before it even released to public, because it was in this box. I really do enjoy Trendmood. And I also love it because she's my go-to like guru to find out about all the makeup launches, when they're coming out, how much they retail for, if there's any discount codes. Like she is the best person to go check out for that, and you'll be finding her on IG. So enough rambling on. I'm just excited to see what's in this box. I legit have no clue what's in here. All I know is I love mystery boxes, so hopefully this is worth the price. I'm really hoping that. The best part about this is that she does the best like shipping. The second you order this box, I swear within like 2 hours, the box already gets shipped. You're like, hot damn, you were on it. Teach ColourPop that, please. Oh my God, this almost took off my nail. You stupid box. Oh my God, that literally almost ripped off my nail. I swear to God, my life flashed before my eyes. Oh, that hurt. Y'all, these monstrosities are coming off this week. I'm so excited. I've had to file them down numerous times so I could just wipe my booty hole. I'm like, bitch, your girl has to take a shit or pick her boogers, and you're not allowing me to. So come off. All right, I'm really nervous. So she's advertising Glow Skin Beauty. Give your self-care ritual professional upgrade. Isn't Glow skincare like the new JLo brand? I saw JLo was rolling out with skincare. She says that she's never done Botox in her life. Okay. I don't know what's all these celebrities trying to jump in the skincare and makeup line. It's like a Catherine McBoom from like the Ace family's coming out with her own skincare crap. I'm like, ah. No thanks. All right, so we're gonna make eye contact, and we're gonna do this together because I genuinely want to be surprised. Okay, so first things first, there is a Trolls X World Tour Techno palette. I think I actually have this palette. This is the palette right here. It is actually really cute. That shade in the middle though is unbelievably gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Now I know that this rolled out, I want to say in the April mystery box, but the only unfortunate thing is that I know that you can find these palettes now at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for like $5 or $6 because I know I found some of mine there. Let me double check because I swear I have this palette. I swear I do. Okay, so I actually just looked at my collection. I actually have the blue one, the yellow one, the purple one, and the pink one because I did find them at TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. It is a very, very gorgeous palette. I unfortunately haven't played around with them yet. They're just kind of sitting in my collection, but they do look really, really pretty. So, all right, cool. Next we have I never tried this before. Okay, this is from Ole Henderson. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer. Instantly illuminates, hydrates, and improves foundation wear all day with vitamin C. Hopefully this will be good for oily skin. Oh, I'm not actually sure now. I've heard amazing things about Ole Henderson. I know that Paige raves about Ole Henderson a lot. She really does love like at least like their eye cream. So I'm gonna ask her about this and see if it's good for like someone with oily skin because she's really bad oily skin. See if she's ever used this product before. If she says it's great, I'll keep it and try it out. If she says it's horrible, then I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along. But that's really cool. I think this rolled out like in her first box ever. I think so. We have a Color Rain Satin Lipstick. This is in the shade Wit. Ooh. Ooh, that's really nice. That is really beautiful. Okay, cool. Well, that's exciting. I'm happy with that one. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free in case anyone wants to know. All right, next. We have a Kim Chi Drama Queen highlighting palette. I actually already have this palette. I have no idea how I ever got this palette because I didn't buy. I know this came in a Trendmood box. I want to say the same time the Trolls one did. I actually didn't buy that box. I couldn't afford to at the time. All I know is that this ended up in my collection. I think it might have gotten sent to me by a wonderful subscriber, or maybe Mikey. I think sometimes Mikey likes to send me a lot of stuff. So I think this is where this is coming from. It's a very, very beautiful highlight palette. It has like 6 highlights in here. I'm not going to open it because I already have my own, but I actually will leave this one wrapped away because I'm going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. But I'll show you what it looks like. So this is mine. And this is how the highlight palette looks. Again, very, very gorgeous. I really do like these 2 shades right here. It's a very, very nice highlight palette. So I think somebody out there would really get a good use out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this one aside, and hopefully someone really enjoys that. All right, next we have Tatcha Dewy Skin Face Mask. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my No Waste Wednesday. I would not get a use out of this, unfortunately. It just would not be beneficial to me. I've gotten these so often, and I think I've gotten them in almost every single subscription box I own. So I'm going to put these, I'm going to put those aside just because they're not for me. All right, next we have Glow Skin Beauty, a skincare set. Glycolic Resurfacing Cleanser, cleanses and exfoliates and uncovers renewed, refined skin. It comes with tissue papers, a little like clear little ramekin, and some Q-tips. And then there is a headband. There is a Renew Serum, a Retinol C Peel Boost, and a Hydra Bright Pro 5 Liquid Exfoliator, with a makeup brush or a mask brush to go with it. Is there a mask in here though? Because why give us a mask brush if there's not a mask? So I'm stupid. Jerry Winker created Glow Skincare. Legit. I don't know why I thought that was JLo's line. JLo is coming out with a beauty line though. JLo Skincare, yeah. Oh, but hers is just called JLo Beauty. Oh. Okay, well, please ignore when I said half of this video. So that there's that in here. I'm good. All right, so I paid $42 for this box, and I am keeping 2 items out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I'm keeping 2 out of the 6. I mean, I count this as 1. I'm gonna give away the face mask, giving away Drama Queen, Pure. Yeah, give away more than I am keeping. Now, granted, I spent $42 on this box, but what are my thoughts on the mystery box? Yeah, no, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. And I think the reason why I'm not a fan is these are just repeat items from all her previous boxes. Like, I thought it'd be really cool. I thought we were going to get maybe some brand new exclusive items that are not in the boxes. Like, I thought that would have been, like, legit. Like, a mystery box. Like, put something in here that you're going to put in the January box or, like, the February box. Like, put some, like, new goodies in here that we haven't seen from previous boxes. It just kind of feels like they couldn't sell out some boxes, so they put all the leftover products and put it into this box. It's the real feeling that I'm feeling, especially since, like, the Trolls palette, you can find this at TJ Maxx for like $5 to $7. So that's definitely really disappointing. I was really excited for the mystery box, and now I'm like, oh, well, I just spent $42 for my No Waste Wednesday. So there's that. There, look, positive. There's a positive out of the negative that I just bought items for the No Waste Wednesday. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I wanted so much more, and I didn't get it. And that, you know what? Is what it is. It's a mystery box. That's the whole purpose of this video, is you don't know what you're going to get, and sometimes you're going to have a great mystery box, and sometimes you're not, and that is completely okay. At the end of the day, I thoroughly do enjoy Trendmood's boxes because you do get a chance to try out different products you may not have tried out before. She does tend to put in, like, the newest beauty items in here, so I won't ever knock her for her boxes because they actually are fantastic. I'm just not a fan of this mystery box. So I definitely think that if you miss out on it, you save yourself some coin. I should have missed out on it too, but that's okay. So at least I bought this so that you guys didn't have to, and now I know for future references, maybe not buy her mystery boxes without knowing what's in here. But yeah, I'm excited to put these items at least into the giveaway, so that's what matters. So That's it for today's video, guys. Sorry, you can be like, this is fantastic. It's all good. So, yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day because I am filming for Vlogmas. Please make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful, amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. What? No. I ruined it. I ruined it by my coffee. Oh, I forgot to do thumbnail. Oh, durr. Yes, I am film. I swear to God, Glow Blue. I swear Glow Blue. I swear Glow Beauty is from JLo. Let me make sure. Whatever happened to keep time to